Hey folks, it's Mr. Garten here, and I'm going to show you how to create a Google Drive personal notebook. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to Google Drive, whether you go to drive.google.com or you access the waffle and get there. Once you're in Google Drive, you're going to go over here to this button, that plus sign, and create a folder. And you're going to want to title that folder Google Drive Personal Notebook. Then you can click create and you should get a brand new folder. In this folder, you can create all kinds of other documents, slides, and new folders. So we're going to create another folder and we're going to end up creating quite a few. When it's all said and done, you should have at least a folder for word work, at least one for writing, at least one for vocab and grammar, and at least one for reading progress and jots. And then anytime that you create a jot or you track your reading progress, you're going to go into this file, create a new doc, and open it up. Now, I would not recommend this method unless you are very digitally organized and are capable of keeping everything in these places without losing track of where they are and being able to access them very easily. A few tips to help you do that. Within this doc, you can change the color, or within this folder, you can change the color of the other folders. If you are someone who likes to color code things, and then what I'm going to require, not just recommend, but require, is that you take your Google Drive personal notebook and bookmark it in your English 10 folder so that you always have access to it very, very quickly. And anytime that we do any work, you're going to be typing in a doc, and those docs need to go in one of these four folders or more. Now, another option that you have is to make a copy of this template that I provided for you in slide 7 of our lesson 6 slides. This is a kind of digital notebook. The thing about this is it's very organized for you already, but you are going to need to add things as you go. So you'll notice there's a section for reading progress and jots. And so I've got a reading list, what I want to read, what I have read, what I'm reading now. And then anytime that I've got jots, I can just type them right in here. And I'm probably going to use more than 2 pages of jots, so I'm going to have to keep adding more slides that look like this. I've got a section for my notes, I've got a section for writing seeds, and I've got a section for word work. The cool thing about this is that once you present it, there are already some links in there. So whatever page you're on, you can always go back to the cover. And then you've got your tabs up here. So if I just want to quickly jump to my writing, I can jump right here and get into my writing. Again, if you are using this option, make sure that you bookmark it by clicking on the star and putting it in your English 10 folder, and then you're good to go. Either way, whether you're keeping a digital notebook with this template or in your Google Drive, you're still going to need to take whatever you're typing and share it in our shared digital notebook from slide 8.